Katie Wills, and I am a vocal and songwriting tutor with the Sound Lab, which is a Glasgow-based music charity who provide free tuition and free music classes around Glasgow and the surrounding areas. Today I thought I might do a little video with some piano technique and some piano things if you would like to learn some piano. So I thought we'd kind of keep it nice and simple, nothing too complicated. So I thought maybe we could have a little look over of some major scales and different ways we can play them, and finger patterns as well, and maybe some chords too. So let's get started. So if you've never played piano before, then that's okay, no worries at all. You can always revisit this video and you can watch what I'm doing, and then you can just like slow the video down and then just kind of copy what I'm doing as well. But I'm going to explain it as I go along. So we're going to start with the C major scale. If you've never heard of the C major scale before, then it's probably one of the easiest scales that you can do on piano. It's got all the kind of nice natural notes in it. There's no sharps or flats. If you're not sure what they are, then those are just notes that are just a different pitch. They've been sharpened or they've been flattened, so they're a different pitch. But we've got nice natural notes that we're going to be using today. So we're going to start off with our right hand, then our left hand, then both together, and then we'll just kind of go from there. So when we're playing a C major scale, we need to find middle C, which is slap bang right in the middle of the piano. So this is our middle C. And we've also got things that are called octaves. So same note, just 8 notes apart and different pitches. So that's basically what octaves are. But you're only going to be starting from middle C going up to this C here, so just over 1 octave, keep it nice and simple. And the notes in a C major scale are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. If you didn't quite catch it, that's okay. You can always reverse the video and go back and watch it again, but I'll explain it again. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? So you're always starting on middle C, and it's almost like you're kind of going through the alphabet, but you're going up to A and then kind of almost starting from there. So you're always starting in C, but then you go up to A, and then it's back to A, B, C, D, blah 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 blah. So it just keeps going on and on. You don't have any H's or J's or anything like that on a piano. So, because if you did, it would probably just be like massive, this big massive piano full of the whole alphabet. So yeah, so that is with our right hand. In the left hand it's the same. So we're starting on C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again, starting in C, but that time we're starting on our pinky on our left hand. So to do the kind of finger pattern, there's a specific finger pattern that you can use, and it's quite helpful. So you're not, if you're going up the C major scale and you've run out of fingers and you're like, oh, it's a big stretch to get my thumb around, then this is an easy way to do it. So what I'll do, I'll demonstrate it here first, then I'll show you with the camera. I'll try and not shake it too much, but I'll try and show you what my hand is doing. So right hand first. So what we'll do is play 1, 2, 3. So you're playing your thumb, this finger, and then your middle finger. 1, 2, 3. Then you take your thumb and just kind of tuck it underneath so it finds F. And then you're just walking the rest of your fingers all the way up till you reach C. And then to come back down, just walk all your fingers back down. But instead of putting your thumb under, you take your third finger and you just pop that over onto E. And try not to hit any other notes as well. So that's the right hand. Left hand is always the opposite of your right hand. And this time you're starting on your pinky, like I said before. And it's all kind of switched around. So this time it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then back down the way is 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the easiest way I always fine to remember that is in right hand it is 3 then 5 to go up, then 5 and 3 to come down. Then in the left hand it's 5 then 3 to go up and 3 and 5 to come back down. So it's all kind of like mirroring each other, if that kind of makes sense. So we're going to put them together. And when you're putting your hands together, you need to do it nice and slowly because it can be quite confusing and it also can be quite daunting because sometimes your hands play at different times and you might miss some notes, you might forget the finger patterns where you need to go. So just if that happens, if you get lost, and just pause, take a wee moment, breathe, and then just think about where you need to go, where you are and where you need to go. And just remember the finger patterns. If you need to, if you're a visual learner, you can write it and put it in front of you, and that might help to help you with that. So what I might also do is I'll write a wee kind of diagram almost out so it can be put on at the end of this video so you can see what I mean, and you can maybe use it as a wee resource as well. So to put hands together, just take it super slowly, literally about this pace, or even slower if you want. Just take your time. And what I'm doing there is I'm trying to remember what hand swaps first. So I know at this point it's right, and then at this point it's left, and by this point also both third fingers, your middle fingers, are going to be on the A note as well, the A key. And you should finish on your pinky in the right hand and your thumb in the left hand. To come back down, left hand first, then right hand, and also both middle fingers are on E as well. And then you should finish where you started, pinky in your left hand and then thumb in your right hand. So that's basically how you do that scale with both hands. Now I'm going to quickly show you what's called an arpeggio. So an arpeggio, you're basically taking 2 and 4 out of your 5 fingers and you're using 1, 3, 5. And you're kind of going, if you're just doing it over C major scale, you're literally just taking the first note, 3rd note, 5th note, and then 8th note, which is also the octave. So what fingers you would use for that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. And then left hand, opposite. So 5, and then you could use 4 or 3 for this. So 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5. Or you can use 3 instead of 4, whatever you're comfortable with. So to put that together, like little warm-ups as well, so you can do arpeggios. If you wanted to maybe do a C major chord, all you're doing is you're taking the 1st, 3rd and 5th note out of the C major scale, just playing all those notes at the same time, and you can play them anywhere. Or you can make them into a broken chord, which means you just break it up like this. A nice broken chord, things like that. So I hope that's just helped you in some sort of way with piano, and you were able to kind of get a little taster of a piano scale and something that you can play on the piano, or you would like to start off with it maybe. It's not too difficult, it's a really nice simple scale, a really nice simple key signature to start off with as well, because it's all nice natural notes. You don't have to worry about any sharps or flats yet. So yeah, it's a really good one, and just kind of you can play around with it, and there's lots of songs that use C major chord and, like, you know, the chord progressions and stuff, so nice and easy. Again, you can come back, watch this video, slow it down, go back, repeat bits and whatever just to see what I'm doing. Sorry I couldn't show you what my hands were doing from this kind of point of view, but hopefully you can see it from here and you're able to kind of get a grasp of what I was doing. I hope you enjoyed that wee lesson, guys, and check out the other one of the vocal technique. I'll be doing some more videos as well, and I'll catch you soon. Okay, bye bye.